Today I'm working on a 2011 Volkswagen EOS. Car came in, actually got towed in, saying the customer was saying that another shop diagnosed a transmission problem. I scanned all the control modules. I didn't use this. I used a Rostec, a scan tool. And this is the only fault that was stored, and it's in the engine control unit. The fuel rail pressure sensor malfunction. So pretty common fault that you see on these 2 liters and the 2-liter TSI engine. This one is a CCTA. What it ends up being is the fuel pressure sensor is bad. It's the sensor that plugs in right down here underneath the, it plugs into the high pressure fuel rail, and it updates to the one that I currently have installed. It's a orange bodied sensor. The factory one is this one. That fault is, I just need to clear it, and it's already repaired. I'm just showing you that if you look under your intake, you have that fault, and you have this black sensor still. That's what your problem is going to be. So you're going to want to stick in the orange one, and you just give them the part number at the dealer, and it just supersedes, to that orange one that I installed, and takes care of the problem. It's very common. We see less of it now than we did. Most of these have already been done. It's kind of a pain to get to. You have to use a 3/8 drive socket and kind of get to it from underneath here, and loosen up these 2 bolts here for this rail, and use some little picks to pull the plug off. And it's a little bit of a fight, but you can do it. So now I'm just going to clear that fault and take it for a test spin. But yeah, something to look for if you see that fault. Thanks.